If you want to update your GOG games quickly and easily, this video is going to show you the simplest method using GOG Galaxy. This is the official launcher from GOG, and it makes game updates much easier to manage, especially if you have a big library and do not want to check every game manually. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to make sure auto updates are turned on and how to force GOG Galaxy to check for updates if needed. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer. Once it loads, make sure you are signed into the account that owns the games you want to update. After that, go to your library and find the game you want to update. If your updates are already set up correctly, GOG Galaxy will usually handle them automatically in the background, which is one of the biggest advantages of using the launcher. Now, if you want to make sure everything is set properly, right-click on the game in your library. From the menu that appears, hover over Manage Installation. This will open more options related to how the game is installed and maintained on your system. In that submenu, click Configure. This is where you can review the game's update settings and make sure automatic updates are enabled. Once the configuration window opens, look for the Auto Update option and turn it on if it is not already enabled. This ensures that GOG Galaxy can keep the game up to date without you needing to manually download patches every time a new version is released. If you play a lot of games, this is especially useful because it keeps everything current in the background while you focus on actually playing. If the game does not seem to update right away, don't worry. Sometimes all you need to do is force GOG Galaxy to check for changes. You can do this by revisiting the game in your library and checking the installation settings again, or by refreshing the launcher so it rechecks the game status. In most cases, once auto updates are enabled, GOG Galaxy will detect any available update and begin the process automatically. It is also a good idea to make sure your launcher is online and fully synced with your account. If GOG Galaxy is not connected properly, it may not immediately detect updates. So if something looks off, try signing out and back in, or simply restarting the launcher. That small step often fixes update issues very quickly. Another tip is to keep your storage space free. If your drive is nearly full, updates may fail or pause until there is enough room. So before updating larger games, make sure you have enough available space on the drive where the game is installed. That can save you a lot of time in troubleshooting. So to recap, the easiest way to update GOG games is to use GOG Galaxy. Make sure auto updates are turned on, and if needed, manually force a check through the game's Manage Installation settings. This gives you a simple, reliable way to keep your games updated without doing everything by hand. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.